How to add widgets on Android tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Widgets are a great way to see important info at a glance, like weather, calendar, events, notes, battery, etc. right on your home screen. In order to add widgets, go ahead and unlock your tablets, and then once you're inside the home screen, make sure there are some empty spaces available. And now tap and hold on any empty area and you'll be able to see this menu. From here, at the bottom, a menu will appear with options such as wallpaper, widget, settings. Simply go ahead and tap on widgets. On the next page, you'll see a list of widgets from different apps such as clock, calculator, notes, weather, music, etc. Scroll through and find the one you want. For me, I want the weather widget, so let me tap on the weather widget option and long press on that and drag it to your home screen. Place it wherever there is space and you have the widget added. Some widgets can also be resized, whereas some cannot be. And that's it. Now tap on the Done button at the top right corner and there you have added a widget on your Android tablets. Widget can make your tablet feel much more powerful and personalized. Try experimenting with different ones until your home screen fits your daily routine perfectly. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.